now the Republicans are trying to exempt toxic PFAS from review, the forever chemicals. And that is, let me just see if I can. No,
Here, I got something here. PFAS.
Yeah, PFAS.
Okay.
I always have a problem with some of the longer ones, but they are the forever chemicals. And two House Republicans, including Clay Higgins, who is a complete moron,
yes.
they really want to get rid of any of the rulings over the 15,000 chemicals that are typically used in this country that resist water stains, all that.
Their whole war on regulations, as you said, this is meant to protect their corporate friends and donors. It's all about money. It's always all about money. So the industries and the corporations that give them a lot of money, they want to protect them instead of protecting the people. The regulations are in place not to hobble industry, but to protect the public. And they're taking away.
They don't care.